How to change password for your Google account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily change your Google account's password. First thing you have to do is open up the Google application or any other app from Google. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change password of, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you should be able to find the option to manage your Google account. Go ahead and tap on manage your account, and it's going to take you over to Google Account Manager. Now, in order to change your password, you want to go to security and sign in. And once you are here, you could just go ahead and tap on password. As you can see here, it will show you when it was last changed as well. And once you tap on it, verify that it's you. I'll just provide my fingerprint for the phone to verify. And if you don't have it set up, you could either use PIN or your current password to change it as well. Now you could simply go ahead and enter a new password. It has to be at least 8 characters, and you can't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. Make sure you create a strong and secure password, which includes different numbers, letters, and symbols, obviously, which you can remember as well. Now, click your new password and enter it on this field. Then you can confirm your new password over here. And then finally, you can tap on the change password button down below. Once you have done that, you should be able to successfully change your password. And that's basically it. If this tutorial was helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.